Hi friends, my name is Achut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn about PS and top commands in Linux. So yesterday we have learned the 10 last final commands in Linux, right? So in that we will learn today like PS and top commands in Linux. So what is PS? So for example, if you execute PS, so what you will get? You will be getting process ID and terminal type and time, and you'll be having cmd command. So you will be what will be PS will give? It will give the unique ID to the every process, and this is the terminal that the user log in, and this is the CPU time. So how much time it will take to execute this process. So it's showing 00 column 00 column 00, right? So that means the CPU does not allocate any time to this process. So this is the command which execute this whole process. So this is the command, bash command. This execute whole process. And if you want to see all process, if you have to click ps hyphen a capital A. Then you will find all the process from 1 to, like, you will be having this. See this command, system command. This process will execute up to 0 columns 00 column 02 time. So this is the time the CPU will get to complete this process. So likewise, you'll get the each and every time. See here, you're having 4, you're having 1. So if you have any 0, like if you find almost all zeros, right? So which means the CPU does not allocate any time. So that's it. So if you want to see, you can use minus E also. Can use PS hyphen E. Yes, hyphen E. So which means I'm getting the same output. See here, PS I clicked on PS hyphen E, then I'll get the same output. So it will tell the process how much time it will take. So if you want more details of it, you can press hyphen D. So you'll get the all running process. You get the all the running process. So you can press hyphen U. So hyphen U will give the all the CPU percentage, memory, and terminal type, command, time, all the details you want. If you want any all the details of the process which are executing, you can use PS-U, and you can use PS-AUX. So it will tell the all the processes, memories, and processing time, and all those things. So you'll giving user process ID, CPU percentage, memory percentage, and terminal type, starting time, start and stat is also. See all these times will be given in the aux, PSAUX. So these are the commands which are executing this process. So I hope you understand what is PS. So it will tell the processes, how much time it will take to execute each and every process. So the next one is top command. So what top command will do? So top command will update the, like for example, you have 3 works. So you have 3 works. The like third work is the top priority work. So it will take the top command. It will take the third work to the top, like which is the most priority. That process will be comes on the top. So see here, every time it's updating. So which means If you this top comment will update each process which have higher priority, like which take more resources, that process will comes first. Which process which takes resources from higher resources from CPU, that process will come on the top, and that work will done by the top command. That work will done by the top command. See, the updates are coming. So each time it will update based upon the priority of the process. So I hope you understand what is top command. And if you want to execute this top command, simply plus Q. Then it will execute it will come out of the top command. So these are the commands both PS and top command will do. So that's it, friends. If you find this video helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.